Hi guys, today we will be making a soothing blue tea. A really great home remedy because it uses a lot of spices and it uses the butterfly pea flower. This is a butterfly pea flower tea and it's really great for sore throats or colds as the weather is getting colder. I just want to mention that I do publish new videos every single week, self-care videos. So if you like what I do here, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment and a like, and also share this video so that more people can find out about our Simply Self-Care series. So to start off, you're going to need some spices. I am going to be adding in some ginger. There will be measurements in the description. To this, we're going to be adding in some cinnamon, and then we're going to be adding in some cardamom. And to this, we will then add some cloves, and then finally the butterfly pea flower. I will have links in the description to where you can find this on Amazon, as well as a natural dye using this flower. They are affiliate links, just so that you know, but it's really easy to find butterfly pea flowers on Amazon and in health food stores, and it gives your food this really interesting color, very blue. So you're just going to boil it for 10 minutes and then we will end up with a really pretty looking tea. So now I'm just going to speak to you a little bit about the benefits of this tea, but please ignore the mess that you're going to see on screen because as I was pouring, a lot of the tea actually did spill. Pun not intended. So the butterfly pea flower, apart from being a really great natural food dye, is also really high in antioxidants, along with the spices that we use, the ginger, the cardamom, the cloves, and the cinnamon. This is a really great remedy because it helps with morning sickness, with nausea, it helps with sore throats. It's really good for colds and flus if you ever have that, and it also tastes really nice. You can also add in some honey if you like. I, as you know, am trying to follow a low-carb ketogenic protocol, so I tend to not do that. But at any rate, it's a great remedy and a very pretty blue, as you can see. And yes, I did in fact make quite a lot of mess simply because I wanted to get the perfect mug to actually take a photograph of this tea in. But like I said, just ignore the nonsense that you're seeing on screen as of right now. But yes, do try this tea. The butterfly pea flower is a really great ingredient. I think that it's a great tea. I hope you guys liked it, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.